This might look like a high-budget VFX shot, but guess what? I filmed it on my phone. No green screen, no editing software, no crew. Just a few words of text and something called Modify Video from LumaLabs. It doesn't just change the vibe, it changes the entire world around you without breaking the motion in your original video. Forests become cities. Day turns to neon night. Outfits, lighting, landscapes, all transformed like magic. All you do is upload your clip, choose Modify, and type what you want to see. But here's the twist. Your results depend on the strength you choose. Want subtle changes? Go with Adhere. Looking for something bolder? Flex is your friend. Want to blow the whole thing wide open? Reimagine will take you somewhere wild. And it doesn't stop there. Each mode has intensity levels, and messing with those can completely flip your result. It only takes a few minutes, one prompt, one click. So now that you know, what would you turn your world into?